Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I watched a TED Talk. The topic is artificial intelligence in healthcare, opportunities and challenges. And the speaker is Naveed Tusi Saidi. In this TED Talk, Naveed Tusi Saidi discussed how AI can work in healthcare and what challenges this technology faces. He also talked about how AI can create opportunities in the healthcare industry. Artificial intelligence in the simulation of human intelligence in machine. In healthcare, AI can work data and algorithms to mimic human cognition and make better discussion. AI can work with healthcare professionals to diagnose a disease, monitor patient and provide personalized treatment. There are many tools and algorithms available for AI to work in healthcare. With these tools, doctors and healthcare professionals can make better decisions for patient care and diagnosis. For example, AI can analyze medical images to detect cancer or other disease earlier that humans can. In addition, AI can help doctors monitor patients in real time, ensuring better and faster treatment. AI can also help personalize treatment, predicting which treatments will be most effective for individual patients. However, the use of AI healthcare also poses many challenges. One of the biggest challenges is data privacy and security. Healthcare data is sensitive and must be protected from cyber attacks and breaches. Algorithm bias is another challenge where AI system can unintentionally prepare biases in healthcare. For example, AI system may diagnose system was based. Additionally, patient may not trust AI system with their healthcare decisions, which can hinder adoption. Naveed Tusi Saidi discussed how to regulate the use of AI in healthcare to deal with these challenges. He suggests that the development of AI in healthcare should be guided by ethical principles and that government or regulate should provide clear guidance on the use of AI in healthcare. There are also many benefits of using AI in the healthcare industry. For example, the use of AI can create many jobs in the healthcare industry, which can improve the economy. AI can also provide better patient can faster diagnosis and personalized treatment. In addition, AI can help address the shortage of healthcare professionals by automating routine tasks and freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks. In conclusion, Naveed Tusi Saidi's TED Talk on artificial intelligence in healthcare, opportunities and challenges highlighted the benefits and challenges of using AI in healthcare. AI has potential to transform the healthcare industry, but it must be used responsibly with care. We hope that this talk has provided insight into the possibilities of AI in healthcare and the challenges that must be addressed to realize its full potential. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, share my video, comment my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.